Welcome to Maths channel. Now we will discuss the problem number 7 in mathematical induction. 7 power 2 power n plus 2 power 3n minus 3, 3 power n minus 1 is divisible by 25. Okay, I'll start the solutions for that. So let us take the statement Tn. Tn is nothing but whatever is given in your question plus of 2 power 3n minus 3 into 3 power n minus 1 is divisible by 25. So it is divisible by 25 means I will take m into some 25, okay, because it is given in your question. So here I have to take it as according to mathematical induction when n is equal to 1, okay, n is equal to 1, make your substitution 7 power 2, n is equal to 1. So here 2 power 3 minus 3 and 3 power 1 minus 1, that answer is nothing but 7 squared is 49. Any number power 0 is equal to 1. So you will get it as a 50. That 50 can be written as into 2 into 25. So obviously this should be divisible of m into 25. Okay, m into 25. So our statement is T of 1 is true. T of 1 is true. Next we have to assume that this one is true for n is equal to k. Assume that our statement is true for n is equal to k. So it is true. T of k is true. Now, according to your mathematical induction, we have to prove that this one, T of k plus 1. So we have to prove that our statement is true for T k plus 1. That is n is equal to k plus 1. We have to prove that. That is what I have to prove here. That is to prove that 7 power 2k, 2 into k plus 1 plus, so just replace it wherever n is there, k plus 1, 3 k plus 1 minus 3, 3 power k plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to m into 25. So our statement k plus 1, we have to prove that it is divisible by 25. We have to prove that. Now I will take it as a LHS part. LHS I am writing as it is only. So just write as it is. 3 power k plus 1 minus 3, 3 power k plus 1 minus 1. So this one power better multiply inside here. So 2k plus of 2, better multiply here also 2 power 3k plus 3 minus 3. Similarly, this one k plus 1, keep as it is this one. Next step, you have to split all the powers here. So next step, you have to write it 7 power 2k into 7 square plus of, you have to write it 2 power k minus 3. So this one, this term together, separately this one. So here 2 power 3 into here similarly the k minus 1 together, k minus 1 into 3 power 1. So here 7 power 2k square, this one 49 plus of, you will get it 2 power 3k minus 3, 2 cube is 8 and 3 power k minus 1 into 3. So next step 7 power 2k 49, 8 3s are, you have to write it multiply here, you will get it as a 24, okay, 24, 2 power 3k minus 3, 3 power k minus 1. Now we have to write it this one 7 power 2 power k, 49 can be written as here 25 plus of 24 plus of, next term write as it is this one 2 power 3k minus 3 and 3 power k minus 1. So multiply 7 power 2k inside. So 7 power 2k into 25 plus of 7 power 2k into 24 plus of 24 into 2 power 3k minus 3, 3 power k minus 1. So these two terms which is common here, 24 is common. So we have to take it outside. So anyway, first term should be is divisible by 25. Okay, divisible by 25. And the plus of this one, 24 taking common means what should be inside? 7 power 2k in plus of 2 power 3k minus 3, 3 power k minus 1, 3 power k minus 1. Obviously, this one you can see this one by according to your assume that tk plus 1 is true. Assume that tk plus 1 true means what is the condition here? Tk plus 1 true means this one tk is equal to 7 2 power k plus 2 3 power k minus 3 into 3k minus 1 which is divisible by here 25. Okay, by 25. So use this condition in your second bracket for this. So I will get it this one 7 power 2k into 25 plus 25 4 into m into 25. Anyway, 25 is common here. Take it outside. 7 power 2k plus of 24 into m. Okay, so whole thing divided by 25. So here, our according to your mathematical induction, here k plus 1 is also true. Okay, also true. So by mathematical induction, our statement Tn is true for all n belongs to n. Thank you.